Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ajir video alochnar topic hoise eta field crop rice. So India aru Asia bibhinno dekhot dhan kheti kora hoy aru rice is a staple food of a major part of India. So ajir video ami rice crop or upor ketaman important MCQs discuss korim jonbur competitive exam or karone important hoy. First let us discuss some important points on rice. So rice or scientific name hoise Oryza sativa aru A sativa species or tinta subspecies ase. Indica, Japonica and Javanica. So Junbur rice varieties India grow hoy, they belong to Indica subspecies. Junbur rice varieties Japan develop hoise, they belong to Japonica subspecies. Aru Javanica rice varieties are grown in Indonesia. Then rice belongs to the family Gramineae. Aru your chromosome number hoise 24. Rice or crop duration is 115 or 125 days and season. So rice to tinta season grow kora hoy ahu, sali and boro. So a topic or upon more already ta video ase. Hey video to rice ahu rice, sali rice or boro rice or sowing time, harvesting time. Gotikni kotha discuss kora hoise. Jodi apnaleke video to swa nai tente moi link to description box on di disu. Okay. Now moving on to the MCQs. First question. In India, most of the cropped area is covered by rice because yare huddha uttor hoise option C, rice can be grown in different seasons. So jehetu rice to tinta seasonot grow kora hoy kobole gele all round the year grow kora pari hekane farmers pure rice crop to prefer kore. So in India, most of the crop area is covered by rice. Next question, what is the seed of paddy called? So dhanor seed of ki buli koy? Right answer is option A, Caryopsis. So Junbur crops Gramineae family belong kore. For example, rice, wheat, maize. Yotor seeds pura botanically Caryopsis buli koa hoy. Next question, what is the inflorescence of paddy called? Yare huddha uttor hoise option D, panicle. So panicle hoise inflorescence hoise flower head naiba arrangement of flowers. Okay, aru rice or juntu inflorescence hoy tak koa hoy panicle. So option 8 is spikelet. So spikelet was a inflorescence of wheat. Then spadix was a inflorescence of maize. Aru raceme was a inflorescence of mustard. So rice or logot ekita points to monot rakhibo. Next question, hybrid rice for commercial cultivation was first evolved in. So hybrid rice for commercial cultivation kunkhon dekhot hosile for the first time? Right answer is option B, China. Next question, Depok method of rice is associated with. Yare huddha uttor is option C, nursery raising. So rice cultivation on nursery raising naiba kothia ready korar different methods ase aru tare bhitor Depok method is one of them. Aru a Depok method nursery ekhon prepare kora hoy jot dhan bur rua hoy without any contact with soil. Pothamate nursery area to select kori he area to bhalkoi irrigate kori pelai juntu surface ase nursery surface he surface to kolpat nohole polythene ere cover kora hoy aru tar pisot dhan bur rua hoy. Okay, so this is the Depok method of nursery raising where the seedlings has no contact with soil. Okay, next question, the Depok method of nursery raising rice nursery was introduced in India from. Yare huddha uttor hoise option C, Philippines. So a Depok method to first time Philippines ot practice korisile aru tar pisot India introduce korisile. Next question, the gene responsible for dwarfness in rice is. Very important question. Yare huddha uttor hoise option B, DGU gene. Okay, so DGU gene is responsible for dwarfness in rice. A gene tur karone rice to dwarf hoy thake besi ukho hoy na jay. Next question, rice variety containing DGU gene is. Kuntu rice variety DGU gene ase? Yare huddha uttor hoise option B, IR8. So IR8 was a first high yielding variety in India. A variety to introduce hosile India in 1967 aru it develop hosile in Philippines. Okay, so A variety to hose India first short duration high yielding varieties. Okay, then next question, hulling percentage in rice is. Yare huddha uttor hoise option A, 70%. এতিয়া হালিং পাৰ্চেন্টেজ বুলি ক'লে কি বুজি পাওঁ সো ৰাইচ গ্ৰেইনৰ যোনটো আউটাৰ কভাৰ হয় হেতু হাল বুলি কয় নহলে হাস্ক বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু আফটাৰ হাৰ্ভেষ্টিং ৰাইচটো প্ৰসেস কৰা হয় হাস্ক আৰু হালটো ৰিমুভ নাইবা হালটো ৰিমুভ কৰা হয় আৰু ৰিমুভ কৰাৰ পিছত মিলিং কৰি প্লাই যোনটো ফাইনাল প্ৰডাক্ট আহে that is 70% of the total weight. Okay, that is haling percent. Aru kitiba percentage to 69% jo aibo pare. That is also correct. The actual percent is around 69 to 70%. Next question: rice grows well in soil having pH. So, kuntu soilot rice grow hoy bhalkoi? Right answer is option B, 5.5 to 6.5. Tamane acidic soil. Okay, rice grows well in acidic soil. Next question: seed rate of rice in broadcasting method is? Yare hutto uttor is option D, 100 kg per hectare. So broadcasting method on ei dhorone randomly seeds pur sowing kora hoy aru 1 hectare matir karone 100 kg dhan lagibo. Next question: for transplanting 1 hectare area the size of nursery is? So ebar jodi transplanting kora hoy kothia ruwa hoy titia ekhon nursery prepare koribo laibo titia 1 hectare area kane nursery khon kiman size hobo laibo yare hutto uttor ase option A, 500 square meter. So 500 square meter nursery ekhonon jiman kothia hobo he kothia bor they are sufficient for 1 hectare area of land. Next question: normally rice seedlings get ready for transplanting in? Yare hutto uttor ase option D, 21 to 25 days after sowing. So dhan nursery ruar pisot 21 or pura 25 days or bhitor kothia to ready hoy hisar karone they get ready, the seedlings get ready for transplanting. Next question: in Depok method seedlings get ready for transplanting in? Yare hutto uttor ase option B, 10 to 14 days after sowing. So Depok method dhan ruar pisot nursery 10 to 14 days or pisot kothia bor ready hoy akko transplant korar karone aru jehetu etu Depok method hunkale time to the time is less. Okay, 10 to 14 days ote hoi jay kothia bor ready. So this is an advantage over the normal method. Next question: what are the critical stages of irrigation in rice? Yare hutto uttor ase option C, initial tillering and flowering. It a critical stage of irrigation hoise rice crop or hetu stage juntu stage or irrigation naiba pani nidile severe crop loss hobo pare. Okay, aru ekita stage hoise initial tillering and flowering. So flowering hole dibo lage aru tillering buli kole now what are tillers? So tillers hoise rice or enekwa ta special branch juntu branch ot flower bear hoy. Okay, so initial tillering and flowering stage ekita hoise critical stage for irrigation in rice. Next, nitrogen is applied into transplanted rice at which stage? Okay, kuntu stage ot nitrogen dia hoy. Nitrogen is an important nutrient for rice crop. So options bor ase at the time of land preparation, tillering stage, panicle initiation stage. Yare hutto uttor ase option D, all of the above. So এই গোটেইকেইটা ষ্টেজতে নাইট্ৰজেন লাগিব সো এট দ্য টাইম অফ ল্যান্ড প্ৰিপাৰেচনৰ টাইমত টোটাল নাইট্ৰজেনৰ 50% নাইট্ৰজেন ল্যান্ড প্ৰিপাৰেচন টাইমত দিব লাগিব ৰিমেইনিং 25% টিলাৰিং ষ্টেজত আৰু বাকি 25% পেনিকল ইনিচিয়েচন ষ্টেজত দিয়া হয় ওকে সো নাইট্ৰজেনটো কেনেকৈ দিয়া হয় 50:25:25 সো এই ধৰণে স্প্লিট কৰা হৈছে নাইট্ৰজেন ডোজ Next question, what is the first rice variety introduced in India? So, a question to already discussed korisu ebar ere hutto uttor ase option C IR8. Next, International Rice Research Institute is located at ere hutto uttor ase option A Philippines. Next, National Rice Research Institute is located at So National Rice Research Institute to formerly Central Rice Research Institute asile okay so the right answer is option D Cuttack. Next question, Ufra disease in rice is caused by so kihor karone hoy Ufra disease yare hutto uttor ase option B nematode so bacterial disease bor hoise jeneke blight disease fungal disease hoise blast disease aru zinc deficiency karone eta important disease hoy etu hoise Khaira disease of rice. Okay, so these were few MCQs on rice crop. ভিডিঅ'টো চাই কেনেকুৱা লাগিলে জনাব যদি ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰিব আৰু দোজ হু আৰ ইণ্টাৰেষ্টেড ইন এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ সিহঁতক যদি ভিডিঅ'টো দৰকাৰ হয় তেন্তে প্লিজ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব সিহঁতৰ লগত এণ্ড প্লিজ ডোণ্ট ফৰগেট টু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব মাই চেনেল